Alright, in today's video we're going to look at my everyday carry. This is every time I leave the house, I have this on me. Okay, first up is the knife. This is a Civivi Mini Praxis. Okay, now the second thing on my list is my keys. I'm usually leaving in my truck. The next thing on my list is my card holder / money clip. The next thing I carry almost every day is a flashlight. And this is the Streamlight Micro Stream. So the Streamlight Micro Stream I do carry most days. Some days at work I carry the Streamlight Pro. Alright, so in the next video we're going to look at the contents of what I carry in addition to everything in my pocket in the sling bag. And I've got... Alright, thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.